Welcome back. Ben Dickerson is with us today, and he's been with us before. It's been a little while from Medterra. I'd like to welcome you back. Good to see you.
Hey, thank you very much.
So today we're going to first give an overview once again about your products that you folks offer.
Great.
And we want to get a background, what it is and what it isn't. Now, you offer this in many different varieties here, in a cream and pills and an ointment there. But it's called CBD. What does that stand for? And again, what is it and what it's not?
Yes, certainly. So it's cannabidiol. It is a molecule that's found inside the hemp plant. So we are a hemp-derived CBD company. These are a few of our products that we offer. The oil, the tincture oil, is definitely our most popular.
Okay.
But it all depends on what your purpose is for
the
CBD.
Let me take you back for a minute, because people sometimes confuse hemp versus marijuana versus. So let's go back and tell people about that first, because that way we can kind of, if it's the first time anybody's ever heard of this and for these type of products.
Yeah, sure. So hemp is in the cannabis family, much different than what we're experiencing here in California right now, which is the recreational marijuana boom. All of our product is derived from the hemp plant in Kentucky. We're working with a hemp pilot research program. So what that allows us to do is it's given us access into all 50 states and actually international distribution, whereas recreational marijuana, you're only allowed to purchase it here in California and it can't leave the state lines. There's also nothing psychoactive in this, so if you're dealing with anything from the cannabis plant, typically there is some THC inside of it, which is the molecule that gets you high from marijuana. You won't have any of those effects with this product here. Okay,
now let's get to the product. And you have 3 variations here that I can see, but really, what would this be a use for? Give me some examples.
Yeah, so I would say right now, our number one is people with anxiety, which you never understand how many people actually suffer from anxiety that call us and they ask if this can help. It keeps people up at night, so to be able to relax. Again, you don't feel the relaxation as if you were to be high, but it is a calm your mind type of therapeutic. Pain is great for, as we all get older, we get aches and pains and arthritis. It typically works very well, especially arthritis. The creams are great because you can actually target the specific area, and then usually within 15 minutes or so you get some kind of relief from it. Now, is it going to cure it? No, absolutely not. But will it help you for a short term? Definitely. If you've got something where you need to get by, yeah, it's a great product for you.
So I see different products here. The first one is the tincture oil. Is that an oil?
It's an oil, correct.
And that's going to work very much like the cream. It's just a different application.
Yeah, I mean, it's like I said, it's a dealer's
Or do you
choice.
Ingest that?
You do ingest this.
You ingest that. Okay.
Correct. You take the oil, put it under your tongue. Lots of blood vessels, so it gets into your system a little bit faster than just consuming it directly. Obviously, swallow it down. But yeah, they both have a similar reactionary purpose for them. It just depends on what you're doing. So if your muscles are inflamed, I could truly tell you to take either or. It's just a personal preference for you.
Okay, and then the pills here, are they the same in just different milligrams?
So I've got 3 different products here in gel cap form. The regular gel caps that we have here, what we've done is we've just taken our oil and then we've made them into a soft gel encapsulated form. These 2 products, a little bit easier to oh, absolutely. And like I said, it's just whatever your purpose is. If you prefer to consume the oil or if you rather take a soft gel, it's totally up to you. But they each are great for the same purpose. The 2 new products that we have here. One, we're calling it the Good Morning Pill. It's got 25 milligrams of CBD. It has B6, B12, a little bit of caffeine, so it's going to pick you up in the morning. We're really excited about this because we're not trying to replace the cup of coffee, but it works alongside of it. It's got that nice little pick-me-up. And then the Women's Health Pill is for women who are going through PMS. Effectively, it's ingredients of amidol in a natural form, and then we've included CBD inside of that, so it helps to conquer your cramps. It's a day-to-day get well pill.
Okay. People are gonna, I think, one of the things concerns are they're gonna ask, is this habit forming? You know, like any
it's a
kind
good
of
question,
thing.
sure.
And so go over that, and then do you need a prescription for this?
Yeah. No, so absolutely nothing addictive inside of these. And great question. So no, there shouldn't be any habits formed. The only habit I would think is if it's working for you, then you get used to taking it because it's good for your overall wellness. And no prescriptions needed. We sell this product in a lot of stores here, specifically in Laguna, Laguna Hills, Laguna Woods. But you can also purchase it online at our website or any other third-party website.
And when you buy it here, where was one find it? Like in Mother's Market type of place?
So I know specifically, we actually the pain cream we're selling at the golf shop right down the road here, which is really an exciting spot for us. Adapt to it is another one of our
of course, we know them very, very well.
Yeah. So I mean, honestly, you can call us and we can direct you where you pick it up, or you can come right into our headquarters.
You asked me to ask this.
Sure.
About pets.
Yeah.
And so I'm asking, it can help like older dogs and cats and things like that if they have joint problems?
Absolutely. So this product works well for us because we've got an endocannabinoid system.
Okay.
Pets also have the endocannabinoid system. Some of the best testimonials that we've received have been from people that have given our oils or our gel caps to their beloved fur babies. And they've had just an incredible response to it. It's really exciting for us because I personally have a dog. I give it to my dog every single morning, and it reduces his anxiety from when we're leaving to, he's just older, so he's got aches and pains. I mean, I've seen videos of people with dogs who don't get much physical activity because they're in pain, and all of a sudden they've got the ability to run up and down the street and chase balls like they're 3 or 4 again. So yeah, it's been really exciting, and we are developing a product line that's specific to that. But until
that way people know how much to give. I think that would be the biggest
I mean,
concern.
you can't take too much. If you do take too much, you just metabolize it. So you're effectively wasting your money. But I mean, you can't take too much. There's no ill effects to that.
That's interesting though. But it is very true with animals as they get older, like people, they can get tremendous anxieties over, whatever reasons.
Sure.
But
I mean, or bad hips. I mean, the list goes on and on, but again, the testimonials for pets has been really exciting. So,
interesting.
Yeah, I mean, the new stuff that we've developed has, been specific for the animals, chicken flavor, beef flavor. So who wouldn't want to consume this? It's hard to get someone or an animal specifically to swallow a pill.
Right.
But yeah, we've got a bunch of good stuff coming out, and hopefully the product line keeps developing.
All right, great to have you back again.
I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
And the website is medterracbd.com. If you forget that, if you just Google Medterra, you're going to find it without any problem. So good to see you again.
Great, thank you very much. I appreciate it.
All right, and we'll see you back here again sometime, maybe with the pet products.
Yes, definitely.
All right.
Great, thank you very much.
Thanks, Ben. We'll be back. Yeah, it's really interesting. But